Welcome to Joyful Living DMV. We invest in real estate. Don't forget to subscribe to Joyful Living DMV YouTube channel and visit us online at joyfullivingdmv.com.
Kathy Corley with Joyful Living here, and we are now at our third property on waterproofing, and this property had water issues. It had two sump pumps, of which, again, could not do the proper job because there was no drainage to them to bring the water, so the water did what water's going to do. This property's been fixed up, so on this property, you can kind of tell that there was water damage because, look, the drywall has been cut out because that's the part that had the mold. And you can also tell because even though they did a nice job of feathering it in, concrete never matches. And so you know there's fresh concrete here where they've done all of the work to waterproof. What that entails is digging down about 36 inches, taking out the dirt and what rock is there, putting in rock, putting in the black tubing with the netting around it, so you're going to keep debris out and allow the water to go in, filling back in with the dirt, and then putting your concrete over top. And what that does is it allows the water to go out and escape without building up in that soil underneath of the house. So it's not necessarily an easy or glamorous job. However, it is sometimes a necessary job. And these are, again, telltale signs that something happened but has now been fixed. That's the key, is that things get fixed properly so that you can go on living without having the issue. So that's a house that's properly been fixed of having water issues. And well, that's our third property. We'll be back in the next clip with some information about insurance and some of those things.
Thank you for watching. We ask that you subscribe to our YouTube channel, Joyful Living DMV, to automatically see our latest videos.